Hi, it's Dan here from Flexxable, and today we're going to talk about what we do in the first 7 days of a brand new Facebook ads campaign to be able to combat high cost per lead. Let's dive in. So what I see a lot with people inside my community is when they start a new Facebook ads campaign, okay, they have a process to follow. They've listened to certain people over the years and they know that they've got to have a campaign and a certain number of ad sets. And a certain number of creatives in each ad set, and that's all fine. Like, a lot of this stuff works, right? But where I see people falling down a lot is when they don't have the ability to be able to pivot when things start going wrong after the first 4 or 5 days. From our experience, the first 4 days, you let the algorithms do the learning and you figure out what creative is working best. But then they don't know what to do after that. The new creative that's working best starts fatiguing, and then they're like, oh my God, what do I have to do? Do I have to come up with new hooks? Do I have to come up with new images? Do I rewrite the copy? Or do they just throw in the towel and give up and complain about CPMs and cost per clicks being too high, which is often what I see, right? So today I'm going to dive into what it looks like when we first start our campaign, what we're testing, and then what happens after 4 or 5 days when the algorithms are kind of figured out what the best ad is. All right, so if I boil it down very simply to what we do leading up to day 5, 6, or 7 of a campaign, we just want to be able to test some different angles into the market, okay? So we'll usually test 2 or 3 inside the first 4 days to see what kind of resonates with the audience. All right, we do that by market research. We let our market do our marketing for us. We reverse engineer what other people are doing. We kind of come up with those 3 or 4 different angles, right? And the whole point of the first 3 to 4 days inside that campaign is to figure out what angle works the best, all right? And that's all we do. What is working exceptionally well for us now is to use really ugly kind of text-based ads. I don't know if you've seen it, like in Facebook groups where you can have like a purple background and you can have some like high contrast kind of like white text or something that goes with that post. I'm sure you've seen them. But if we can explain our offer and create curiosity for these angles inside these big images like this, these big ugly images, then it tends to work really well for us, okay? We haven't got time to be able to create a lot of video or anything like that to begin with. We just want to test the angle, all right? So once we've figured out after the first 4 days that we've got something that's converting, we've got some leads coming in, and it's pretty clear what the best angle is, the next thing we do is very simple, and it doesn't take any major kind of like copywriting skills or anything like this. But what we want to do is take that single best ad, and then we want to change the most important part of the ad, if that makes sense. So for us, the image is always the most important part of the ad, okay? So once we've got the angle and the hook that's working, then we'll take exactly the same text and we'll create some new variations of that ad. So the exact same text, the exact same headline, and we'll create some new images, okay? We might throw a video in here then, but what we want to test is the biggest part of real estate of the ad, which is the image or where the video can go, right? So once you've figured out the winning angle, then it really is just about seeing if you can bring that angle down further with some better images or perhaps a video inside what's already working, okay? And that way, when you go after days 1 to 4 and you go after day 5, then you've got something to work on straight away, right? The next step, I wasn't going to talk about it today, but the next step that always works well for us and always tends to allow us to get better cost per lead. You may be talking about day 9, 10, something like that. You're going to have your best image or your best video. You're going to have the best copy. And then what we want to do is amend or test the first 3 lines of the ad copy, because most of the traffic on Facebook comes from mobile traffic, right? And if you've noticed, when you're on your news feed, you'll see the first 3 lines are the thing that most people read first, all right? So when you think about it, we don't focus enough on that valuable bit of real estate. Okay, so myself and my team will go in and we'll rewrite those first 3 lines, because you can bet your bottom dollar. And I always find this, I try and get ads up quickly, and then I'll look back at those first 3 lines and go, oh my God, when I actually spend some time on this, I can do a hell of a lot better. Okay, and then what you can do is take the best image or video, the best headline, and then you can change the first 3 lines like in 6 or 7 different variations. All right, so once you have this kind of plan of action, there's your kind of first 10 to 15 days sorted, where you're taking angles and you're working them all the way through to what kind of imagery works best, what, you know, if you want to test video, what kind of video works best, and then you're going deeper into what, you know, breaking down the dynamics of the ad bit by bit, starting with the first 3 lines. All right, so that's your first 10 to 15 days kind of organized, and it's going to help you gradually reduce your cost per lead without kind of ad fatigue or you know, worrying about what's going on and trying to change too much and then blaming Facebook and throwing in the towel. All right, it's a pretty step-by-step plan that you'll be able to follow that doesn't require too much genius, apart from, you know, coming up with the angles and the hooks in the first place, which is where you got to spend most of your time. All right, so I hope you've enjoyed this video today. It's going to give you a little step-by-step blueprint if you are one of these people that struggle after you launch an ad campaign, and it should get your results pretty well. So if you have liked this video and you've enjoyed it, please like, so we know to create more videos like this. Any questions at all about this formula and you know, how it works, then please comment in the comment section. And lastly, subscribe to our YouTube channel so you'll be the first to know when we create new videos like this. Catch you soon.